Save a place at the table for your daughter and son. We'll be out on the highway, fading quick like the sun. So don't you stay up late waiting. Oh, we've only begun. Yeah, we've only begun. Make no mistake, we'll live while we're young. We'll chase down the sun.
I'm basically trying to on this wig. Yeah, just position it on your head wherever you want it, whether you have 5 head, 6 head, 3 head, 2 head. It was always good to find out where you want to position your wig before you start applying the glue.
We'll chase down the sun, hands off the brakes. We can die when we're done. Let's live while we're young. Live while we're young.
I'm then going to blow dry the areas that I added the glue so that it's tacky before adding the Got2b Freeze Blasting Spray. And then going back in with the blow dryer again just so that it's nice and tacky so it sticks very well. We ain't trying to have this thing come off anytime soon. But I'm going in with one pointy device and I'm just making sure it lies down flat. It's easier to use a comb or something, an object rather than your hands. The oil in your fingers, the dirt, it doesn't mix well with the gel.
Got my hand on my Bible, hold it firm like a gun. While you're praying for revival, I'm already living in one. Won't pass up on the danger, I'd miss out on the fun. Won't miss out on the fun. Make no mistake, we'll live while we're young. We'll chase down the
Come
sun.
on, can you see the pattern space? No. What can... Guys. Bruh. Can you see? Come on. Come on, frontal. What's frontal?
The brakes. We can die when we're done. Let's live while we're young. Live while we're young.
Okay, so I got this hair from White Wigs. Came in this nice white box. So these are just the colours that I used. I used the chocolate brown for the roots on just the frontal, and then the lavender colour was for the rest of the hair. And all the bundles came in like this. Then it came with like a weaving net, which I didn't use. I'll probably just wear it for fun or wear it as like a little hair net. It was... I wasn't gonna use it. I used the stocking wig cap. It's a ultra thin expandable stocking wig cap. I think you get it from the beauty supply store, like your African hair shop. That's what we call it, African hair shop. And they come in packs of 2, and so you just double it up. Yeah, and it's expandable, so any size, literally any size can wear it. And then I've sewn on a elastic band so that I don't actually have to wear glue. I don't have to do the whole Got2b glue thing to have, that's just long every day, no. And if I see that in the club, like this glue is not going to hold, I'm just not going to use it because I'm not going to be the one that phone's lifting up here and there. Or if I use the glue and it does start to come off, it's not really going to move because it's held in place with the elastic band. So when I was making this wig, I used almost 3 bundles. I think I had like that much left of the 3rd bundle, from which I cut a little bit and tested the hair color and see if I could dye this hair. Dyeing this hair is long. I don't know why I decided to make the wig and then color the hair. Oh my god, my back was breaking. I wanted to call this wig the back breaker because The stress I went through, I'm crying. My back is hurting. Oh. So yeah, I sewed it on. What else? I trimmed. Once I made it, I then cut the frontal so that it was tad long, and so that I can pull my hair back. Yeah, I love this dye because it doesn't run as much and it doesn't stain the frontal. The darker chocolate brown that I use for the root, that does stain the frontal. Yeah, it does. So don't touch. Well, to be fair, I stained like parts of it, and I don't know if you can see it. If you can, it's a concealer thing. It's as simple as that. Just conceal it. It's not that deep. Because I wanted a longer bob. Then when I saw this, I said I can't pay this much, and yeah, I'm gonna cut it. It's not gonna happen. It's not. I think I paid £176 and I got a discount. Yeah, so you guys saw me use the Got To Be Glued and that whole thingamajig, do that. I'm an expert, so I don't wear frontal every day. It's probably the second frontal I've worn. Frontals are a bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, so closure was really where it was at. But yeah, took a flat to it. I'm not going to lie, I probably flattened this hair like 3 times, but then I did curl it and the curls looked so beautiful. I can't tell you if it holds a curl because I really just put this hair in and I was just experimenting with it last night. Making the wig was nice. The hair is ultra soft. Just a few. There's a lot of flyaways. You know what I really want to know is whether this hair will stay straight in the club. Like, will it be straight in the club when you have that heat, humidity, sweat everywhere? I want to know if it lasts because I have wigs that it's not going to last. Like, I can't wear that to the club. That's not hair you wear to the club because you'll come in looking all fine and smooth and everything, and you will come out looking like a hot mess. You know when the lights turn on at 3:30 a.m. you're looking at yourself like, I look finished. Can't have that. But yeah, I really like this hair. I really want to do an update on it. I don't really want to say too much about it now. Yeah. Even now, it's still, you just have to train the hair. It's like your own hair. When you change your part, with some people, when you change your part, you have to, you know, really train it with beatings. So this is what I'm going to have to do so that, you know. But yeah, I've showed you guys how it parts, and it parts amazingly. Like, even when I was colouring the hair, ooh, I've never seen that before. I'm really in love with this hair. I'm so in love with this hair, and hopefully when I do like a 3-month update, I hope I'll tell you guys about this. But yeah.
Hands off the brake.